Hello. Storm Barra has arrived and is expected to bring disruptive wind and rain to large parts of the UK, as well as hill snow for parts of northern England and Scotland in particular. Barra deepened rapidly during Monday and the first part of Tuesday. It's now pushing into Ireland, where Met Éireann issued red warnings because of the strength of the wind expected in the south and the west. It's yellow warnings for the UK, so some disruption expected from the wind, the rain and the hill snow, but not fortunately on the same scale as Storm Arwen. Nevertheless, for those areas that are still affected by ongoing issues due to Storm Arwen, it's not good news, and treacherous conditions are expected across parts of northern England and Scotland through the rest of the day, with snow falling above 200 metres and up to 5 centimetres settling in places, along with the wind driving that snow into drifts and blizzards likely in places. So some really tricky conditions for Transpennine routes, for the M74, for the M80, for the higher parts of the M8 as well, with that snow falling and settling on the higher routes. And for the southern uplands, for the Grampians as well, later in the day, even higher snowfall totals are expected on some of the highest ground. The rain and hill snow pushes through later in the day, followed by blustery showers, and it's at this stage that the winds really ramp up, particularly for western and southern coasts. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts expected widely, 70 in some of the more exposed spots, and some of the most exposed spots later in the afternoon and into the evening, particularly parts of, say, West Wales through the Bristol Channel. There's the risk of 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts, so disruption likely from these winds, as well as some very big waves and dangerous conditions around coasts. The wind driving showers in. It's going to be milder in the southwest, but staying cold towards the north and the east, but feeling unpleasant wherever you are because of that wind and the frequent heavy showers that follow the main area of rain and hill snow. The rain pushes into the north of Scotland by the end of the day. Further hill snow expected for the Grampians, but eventually it eases. And then it's just showers really rotating around the, by this stage, filling low that is Storm Barrow, which will be centred over parts of northern UK. It's going to be a less cold night because of the wind and the cloud, but a very unsettled night to come. A noisy night with those showers rotating around the area of low pressure, and continued gales expected across parts of Wales and the southwest as we go through Wednesday. 65-mile-per-hour wind gusts are expected in 1 or 2 spots. Further showers and longer spells of rain also being driven by that wind just about anywhere really, but particularly into western and southwestern areas, Northern Ireland, as well as the northeast of Scotland. Hill snow also, where those showers fall over the higher ground of northern UK, but not likely to be as disruptive as Tuesday's weather. Temperatures a little below average for the time of year. It's going to feel unpleasant in that strong wind, but eventually quieter weather is on the way for Thursday and into Friday. Still fairly blustery at times, still some showers about and some gusty winds, but not on the scale of the next couple of days. So we'll keep you updated, as always, on social media, and you can follow those updates on these channels. Bye-bye.